whisper secrets night and day. Endless horizons draw us near. No more shadows, only clear. Dreams like rockets in the night, hearts ignite, a constant fight. Limitless and oh so loud, on this highway to the clouds. Highway to the clouds we fly. No waiting time to rise beyond the reach of earthly ties. In the sky we come alive. We rise above the rooftops tall. The sky is ours, we're having a ball. No map or plan, just floating free. This crazy ride, you and me. A rush of wind, we're flying high, touching stars in the velvet sky. The world below starts to shrink. In clouds of fluff hop on, let's sink. Hot air balloon, we'll touch the moon. We'll sing and sway and never swoon. Up, up we go without a care. Our love's a journey in the air. Hot air balloon, we'll touch the moon. We'll sing and sway and never swoon. Up, up we go without a care. Our love's a journey in the air. Laughing loud on this balloon, we chase the sun, we'll catch it soon. With each breath in the airy blue, I see the world inside of you. Mountains look like tiny glitches, rivers running like silver stitches.